New Advanced Market Leader, Coursebook, 3rd edition, by Ivona Dubitska and Margaret O'Keefe. Published by Pearson Longman. Unit 1, First Impressions, Track 1.
People say the first 2 minutes of a presentation are the hardest part. What advice do you give to presenters?
I think, yes, maybe even less than 2 minutes, actually, to make that vital first impression. And I think I would want to work with my client to try and break that down a little bit into what's really going on with the audience, and indeed what happens when we communicate with people. A lot is based on body language, non-verbal communication. That may be as much as 60 to, some people say even 90% of our communication is non-verbal communication, which is rather an amazing statistic. But certainly we do take in impressions from the sound of the person's voice, their facial expression, for example, their posture, the way in which they use the room, the space that they have. All of those things combine, really, the way they dress. We will put together a composite picture. Usually these messages are not viewed independently. They're usually seen as clusters of behaviour. And we will build up an image very, very quickly of who we think that person is and what they are and who they are, before we really even take in much of what they've got to say, although of course those first few words are also essential.